Hello everybody, this is Lara from Pure Elliott Wave with a quick update for Bitcoin technicals for you. I will look at weekly and daily charts. I am not going to give you a conclusion about whether I expect the bear market to continue or the bear market is over and a bull run has begun. I'm going to tell you what I expect for the short term and what I need to see in order to draw a conclusion about whether or not the bear market is complete. Price is consolidating still with resistance at 73,100, final support about 51,800. From the all-time high in the week beginning 10th of March 2024, there is a series of lower lows, there is a series of lower highs. The basic definition of a downward trend, it's got a pretty strong sideways look to it though, a little bit of a downward slope. It has met the technical definition of a bear market in that from the all-time high to the lowest close, which is in this week here, price has reduced by more than 20% of market value. So this is a bear market because it meets the technical definition. In order to have confidence that this bear market is over, we need to see a breakout above 73,800 on an upward session with push from volume. Basically, new all-time highs on an upward session with push from volume would add substantial confidence that the bear market is over and the next bullish run is underway. The other thing we could see is from the series of lower highs and lower lows, if we see a new high above the swing high of week beginning 28th of July at 70,027.05, that would break the pattern of lower lows and lower highs, and that would indicate we may have had a trend change. The bear market may have been over at the low for week beginning 4th of August, and we may be on the way to new all-time highs. But the final thing that we need to see is a new all-time high on an upward session with push from volume for real confidence that the bear market is indeed over and the next bullish run is indeed underway. The volume profile at the weekly time frame is inconclusive. On balance volume, however, is making new highs just prior to price. This suggests we may get an upward breakout to new all-time highs. This is bullish. ADX is declining, the DX lines are whipsawing. The bear market has relieved very extreme conditions and set up the stage for a new bull run to begin. It's also not telling us if the bear market is over. The bear market could certainly continue lower with another low. ADX could continue lower to a low level below 15, setting itself up for an even stronger signal. We don't have an indication of what the trend is at this time frame yet. The bear market has relieved very extreme conditions with RSI and bearish divergence. RSI is now neutral. There is plenty of room for the next bullish run to begin. There's also plenty of room for the bear market to continue. RSI has not reached oversold, nor has money flow. There is further room below to go before this bear market to continue. With no clear trend, a model of stochastics plus support and resistance would suggest a little bit more upward movement to resistance and stochastics to reach into over. However, when we look at this channel on the daily time frame, I'm drawing the upper trend line from the session of 13th of March 2024 to sit on this high of the 7th of June 2024. It's been perfectly reached on the 21st of October, just a few days ago, telling us that this upward swing from support to resistance may very well be complete for the short term. We may be looking for a short to mid-term downward swing to support. So that will be my expectation for the short term for Bitcoin. How low it's going to go, I can't tell you, but look for support at each of these support levels below. Final support possibly about the lower edge of this pink channel. For the short term, the volume profile at the daily time frame is bearish with strongest volume on downward sessions. That suggests that the bear market may continue. ADX is declining at both time frames. As price is moving higher within this upward swing within the bear market, ATR is declining. Along with a bearish volume profile and weak range, volatility is not favouring this upward swing. There is not strength in upward movement, and that's what I want to see in order to have confidence that the bear market is not going to continue, that it's complete and that we're going to see new all-time highs. I don't see enough strength in upward movement yet to have confidence in that. With no clear trend at this time frame, the conclusion is the same as at the weekly time frame. Stochastics has reached overbought. Prices hit resistance. Prices now turning lower slightly. Expect overall stochastics to continue toward oversold and price to continue toward one of those support levels. So the answer of how low it's going to go, look for stochastics. When stochastics gets very, very close to oversold or in oversold, that may be when the downward movement ends, when price is at one of those identified support levels simultaneously. That's it from me and the dogs of Imsawan, and I hope I'll be able to be back with you for a quick video next week.